What if the hardest things to let go of are not objects, but the emotions attached to them? Decluttering is not just physical, it is emotional, and that is why it feels so hard. Lena kept a box under her bed, letters, ticket stubs, a scarf. Every time she tried to declutter it, she stopped, until one day she opened it fully and realized she was not holding on to things. She was holding on to feelings, so she kept a few and let the rest go, and for the first time, she felt at peace. You do not need everything to keep the memory. Emotional weight is real, that is why it is hard. Keep the essence, not everything. One item can hold meaning. Ask better questions. Does this still matter to me now? Let go with gratitude, not guilt. What are you holding on to emotionally? Could one item represent that memory? What would it feel like to let go peacefully? If this helped you rethink decluttering, there is more in this series, so be sure to like and subscribe so you do not miss anything. Also, see the first comment for a link to my new book, Declutter Without Losing Your Style. It is available on Amazon.